But what if he freaks out? What if he doesn't want to talk to me? What if he tries to stab me with something silver? Or what if... What the hell are you doing? There he is. Where are you? Stop scrolling around.
Strong legs.
It was one slip-up. Slip-up. A dozen calls to the sheriff's department about a monstrous dog boy running around the streets of Beacon Hills naked. That's a slip-up? Why were you naked? It was really hot out that night, okay? Let me go. Sorry we're late. I'm sorry, too.
You boys do remember I own a gun, right?
Vividly. Liam, if you were going away and I told you, don't worry, go have fun, what would you think I was talking about?
Fun like bowling? Or sex with other guys?
The dinner's in the fridge! There's nothing in the fridge, so I'm gonna leave you money to order in. I don't have any money. Get something and I'll pay you back. You're not even here, are you?
This isn't vandalism, is it?
Yeah, technically.
I'm in. I passed. Well, how many tickets do you have?
None.
How many would you have if your dad didn't get you out of there?
17. I think it's been long enough. Yes. Hey, trying to have an adult conversation over here. Look, have you ever seen anything like this? No, never.
I mean, I see why you're worried. He's really hot. He's got, like, great hair, perfect body. You should definitely feel threatened.
Thank you, because I do. Now, more than ever.
Liam. You're not gonna just stand there, are you?
Maybe.
The whole semester?
Maybe. What did you do? Well, what do you mean, what did I do? Something different about you. What are you talking about? What is it? It's different.
For the love of God, Styles, just go to school.
Soccer team?
What do you think I'm gonna do? Follow them out to the field and watch them practice while I pretend to study?
It's warm out. Why are you gonna be shirtless?
How'd I do?
There's room for improvement.
Something I gotta tell you. You're a werewolf. So, it's nice. It smells good.